Hello students, in this video the topic of our discussion is salts. Salts, it's a very important class of chemical substances. So let's start the video. Students, a salt is a substance formed when the hydrogen of an acid is partly or completely replaced by a metal. I repeat the definition. So salt, it's a substance formed when the hydrogen of an acid is partly or completely replaced by a metal. Now you can see in the equation, hydrochloric acid when reacts with sodium hydroxide, what it makes is sodium chloride and water. So we can see that the hydrogen of an acid is replaced by metal sodium. Now students, salts are made whenever acid neutralizes bases or alkalis. It's a base, that is sodium hydroxide, and this is an acid, hydrochloric acid, and when they react, they neutralize and forms salt. Similarly, salts are formed when acid react with metal or metal carbonate. Like this is sodium and this is calcium carbonate, also known as lime. So when they react with metal or metal carbonate, salts are formed. Now students, the number of hydrogen atoms in an acid which can be replaced by a metal is called its basicity. It's a very important point. So the number of hydrogen atoms in an acid replaced by a metal is called its basicity. For example, sulfuric acid and carbonic acid are dibasic. On the other hand, phosphoric acid is tribasic. As you can see that sulfuric and carbonic acids, they have two hydrogens which can be replaced, whereas phosphoric acid has three hydrogens that can be replaced. So sulfuric and carbonic is dibasic and phosphoric acid is tribasic. Now, when the hydrogen of an acid is partially replaced by a metal, it's called acid salt. So, it's called acid salt. There is a difference between salt and acid salt. Now, these are the examples of acid salt. The first one is sodium hydrogen sulfate. The second one is calcium hydrogen carbonate. The third one is sodium dihydrogen phosphate, and the fourth one is disodium hydrogen phosphates. So you can see that in these salts hydrogen is present, so this is acid salt. Now let's see the salts of hydrochloric acid. These are calcium chloride and sodium chloride. Similarly, salts of nitric acids are magnesium nitrate and potassium nitrate. The salts of sulfuric acid are copper sulfate and lead sulfate, and the salts of carbonic acids are zinc carbonate, iron carbonate, and the salts of phosphoric acids are sodium phosphate and calcium phosphate. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.